Hi! In front of me is TCL 4D, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. Start by choosing Tools folder and clicking on Sound Recorder app. Now click on Allow in the pop-ups and click on this button with a mic on it to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to delete it right away, click on this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to end it and save it though, you need to click on the track mark. Then rename your recording and choose Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, tap on this bin icon at the top right corner over here and select Allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!